Stand up straight in Tadasana or mountain pose, sideways onto your mat. Take a deep breath and then exhale as you step your feet far apart while spreading your arms out to the side. Adjust your feet so that the ankles are in line with your wrists. Check your heels to make sure they're in line with each other horizontally on the floor. Your toes should point straight ahead. Keep your arms straight and in line with your shoulders, and your palms should face down to the floor. Keeping your torso centered above your pelvis, rotate your right foot out 90 degrees to the right side. Rotate the toes of your left foot 45 degrees towards the right. Balance your weight evenly between both feet, and keep your left leg straight for the duration of the pose. You will know if you've completely straightened your left knee because when you do so, the center of your left kneecap will be in line with the middle of your left ankle. Rotate both thighs outwards and away from your pelvis. Now take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, bend your right knee down to a right angle. Bend down as far as you can above the right ankle. Press your left heel back firmly into the floor to balance as you bend the right knee, and make sure not to overextend, so check you can still see the toes of your right foot. Turn your head to the right and gaze at your right fingers, and keep your arms parallel to the floor and extend them to the sides. Imagine that people are pulling your hands on either side of you in a tug of war. Lengthen both sides of your torso and hold the position for at least 30 seconds. Breathe in as you come out of the pose by straightening your right leg and then turning your feet back to face forward again, and then lower your arms down. Now repeat the pose on the other side and hold for the same length of